This is how you can switch your TikTok account from public to private so that only your friends can see what you post on your TikTok account. Like the video and subscribe to the channel as we are getting started. Now log into your TikTok account and then go to your profile. After going to your profile, press up on the menu button, up on the three lines in the corner. Now make sure that you press on settings and privacy. Now right here, make sure that you press on privacy. And after pressing on privacy, make sure that you turn on private account. Make sure that you switch this on. Once you turn it on, your account will be private. Only those people that follows you and you follow them back, those are your friends on TikTok, will be able to see what you post on your TikTok account. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.